How to change your Facebook name on an iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps now how you can change Facebook name on an iPhone. Well, let me get you straight into the video. First things first, in order to change your Facebook name on an iPhone, what you can do is proceed to open up Facebook, then head over to the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here, you want to head into the settings icon at the top right corner, and now you'll be on this page. You'll get the Meta Account Center option, tap on it. Then here, tap on Personal Details option. Once you do so, you can see you'll be able to see contact info, birthday, and account ownership and control. However, changing your name here requires you to head into your profiles section. Once you head into the profiles here, you want to head into the particular Facebook account there. And now you can see the name option, tap on it. You can proceed to change it, and if it is eligible to change, you'll check for it, and then you'll be able to tap on review change and check if the change is available. And if the change is available, you'll be able to change it. So this is how you can easily change your name on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.